Welcome to Web Tool Zone. Today, I'm going to guide you through how to download Adobe Audition for free on your PC or Mac. Let's dive in. First, click the link in the description below to head straight to Adobe's official website. Once you're there, hit the free trial button. Select the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial. Perfect for testing out all the pro-level audio editing features Adobe Audition has to offer. Next, click Continue, enter your email address, and hit Continue again. You'll need to fill in your personal details and payment info. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the trial ends, and you can cancel anytime before the 14 days are up. Once everything's filled out, click Agree and subscribe. After that, set up a secure password for your new Adobe account. You'll then be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it, log in with the same email address, and you're good to go. Once Creative Cloud is open, head to the Apps tab, find Adobe Audition, and click Install. And that's it. Adobe Audition is now ready to use. Whether you're cleaning up audio, mixing tracks, or creating podcasts, you've got all the tools you need. Plus, you'll get access to the full Creative Cloud Pro suite to explore even more. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Web Tool Zone for more tips, tricks, and tools. Happy editing, and we'll see you in the next one.